Hey guys, this is Gaming Noobster, and today I'm going to be playing Subway Surfers. Sorry, I've not done this earlier. I wanted to, but I didn't know how to record my iPad screen. My dad just taught me. So, I haven't played this in a long time. Oh, didn't mean to do that. To play. I've not played this in so long. Like, see, it's even giving me like the tutorial how to play. So I haven't done this in way too long. Fresh moves. That's what it says. Ah, I forgot how to jump for a second. I thought I had to tap. Yeah. Yeah. Ah, okay, you didn't do that. Oop, oop, no, no, no. Oh, oh, I survived. I'm about to get that boomerang. I want to know what that is. Oh, okay, that was a stupid mistake. No, I hate when it does that. Belong to Game Center more. 250. I haven't played in so long. I want to see. Mystery Monday. Oh, that's cool. New. What's new? Kim Sydney Special. Dive outfit and coast outfit. Okay. Me. Gift. Oh, I used to have this one when I played. Yeah. Seems legit. We just wait. 9 days left with Kim. Okay. I remember when I played, I had the robot, and I also had or Tagbot, and also had space outfit, and then I also had ninja and yang outfit. But I really wanted the flame outfit. It looked like a gangster ninja. I'll probably get the dino if I just sign to Facebook. Yeah. Boards. Ooh, I also had some pretty cool, sick boards. Let's see what they have. I remember I had this. When I had the Skullfire. Trying to see what they have for it. That and that. I don't think I had either. I think I just had the regular Skullfire. And gift. Oh, and I had this. Starboard, okay. Unlock. Yeah. Gift. I also I had this with like the Star Trail. And I think also this maybe. Double jump. And then no, I didn't have that. Yeah, I think that was it. No, I also had. No, that's it. Yeah. Let's see. Okay. Tap to run. I haven't played this in way too long. Like, it's been forever. Like, no joke, multiple years. Jump. La, la, la. To the rock. Oh, wait, that was left. So if I do this and just, like, one more round, and then I'll be done. Jump. Ooh, Mystery Monday thing. Ooh, plus 10 multiplier. I like that. Let's see. Not dead yet. I just got a top run, I think. Because, like, I had this a long time ago. and then I uninstalled it, and then I got it again, and then I haven't played in forever. Actually, I haven't used my iPad in general in a long time. Jump, side, jump. Ooh, money. It is all mine. Mystery Monday. Also mine. Let's see. Got you. Oh, I didn't get the last coin. Got you. Oh, ooh, okay. Times two. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay. Yeah, jetpack. 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 Oh, that's not good. Okay. Tap to open. Money! Make it rain everywhere. Yeah, 1,000 coins. Seems legit. I always seems legit. I don't know why. It's just my thing. But this is the last run. And then I'm out here. Yeah, okay, I don't even know why. What is this? Pew! No, how do I use that? Wait, what was that? It was a boomerang thing. It gave me something for a second. I thought it was like, gives me boomerang. I throw, like, I tap and I throw it, and then it like comes back and hits the guard behind me. But apparently, it does not. Sadly. Very, very sadly. Money. 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 I'm getting all the monies. Money. 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 Yeah. Swag. Okay, I don't even know what that was just now. Ooh. Pogo stick. Jumpy, jumpy, jump. Okay. Oh, I missed. No, and there was a mystery box in the background right there. No. Alright, guys. Sorry, that was my last one. This is, I was about to say Sydney Subway Surfers. It's a lot of S's. But, it's not Sydney Subway Surfers. It's just the same thing. So, that was Subway Surfers. Please like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you later.